Good afternoon. We have a GE air conditioner. It's beeping and won't go. We have tried to reset it from the plug like the manual says, but then it starts beeping right off again and will not start.
Do you know the model of your GE AC unit? When did you last replace the air filter?
All I have right this minute is the manual in front of me. On this conditioner, all you have to do is take it out and clean it.
How long has this been going on with your GE air conditioner? What have you tried so far?
It's been going on for 2 days. We have disconnected it. My husband just went out and got a number for me. It is 44B261D.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
We have tried using a different outlet and also cleaning the outside of it. I found the model hash and the serial hash is FL037467A.
Hi there, my name is Bay. Got over 10 years in the trade. I'll be glad to help. Please disregard any automated phone request or service requests, as they are generated by the website. You do not have to accept phone requests. Please bear with my responses, actively working on the job site also. I am human, but I will do my best to reply ASAP.
Can you tell me what's wrong with the air conditioner?
Does the fan or anything start? Is there a display? If so, is there any error codes?
There is a display but nothing will start. No codes, it's just beeping and blinking. Are you still there?
You don't see any numbers at all come on the display when you turn it on.
There is a number 98, and all of the little lights come on also, but all it does is beep and flash.
88 or 98?
98.
That's odd. 98 isn't an error code, but if all the lights start flashing, that's signifying an error. How old is the unit?
Less than a year. Are you still there?
I am. If it's less than a year, I'd recommend replacing it via GE's warranty. Their warranty is usually at least 1 year. This is their appliance hotline, but they're closed Sundays 1-.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.